right, skill 3, can you multiply a fraction by another fraction and solve related story problems? So this is 2 problems. This is going to be numbers 4 and 5. All right, number 4, we have to do, there's 6 points available, 1 for a correct answer here, and then I also have to use this correctly. All right, so there is 2. So you could get all 3 of these right with numbers, but if you didn't show it correctly, then no. You don't get these points down here. So 4/5 times 2/7 here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4/5, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 2/7, 1, 2. So it's this right here, which is 8 out of 35. All right, cool. 2/3 times 5/6, 1, 2 by 5/6. 5, I'm looking at this right here, which is 10/18. I could simplify that to 5/9. I do not have to. 5/6 times 5/6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this area right there, which is 25/36. All right, so your drawing has to look something like this. Some of you were kind of close, some of you were way off. This one would maybe be one where you have to come in and check with me to see what I thought about it. And if we disagree, you can kind of talk to me about why you might be correct. All right, cool. And 5, Rose lives 3/4 of a mile from her cousin. One day she rides her bike to her cousin's house. She's 2/5 of the way there. Her bike breaks, and now she has to walk. What part of a mile did she go on her bike before it broke? So here's her house. Her cousin lives 3/4 of the way, 3/4 of a mile, and she went something like 2/5 of the way there. So this is 2/5 times 3/4 equals 6/20 or 3/10. And I only have to write an equation. So 1, I have to get this answer. That's 1 point. 2, I have to show work. Now, if I showed work that had this in here, 2/5 times 3/4, like if you understood it was that, you get a point for that. Okay? All right, there's a point right there. If you knew it was multiplication, okay? An answer, 6/10. And then I have to put the equation. So the equation is 2/5 times 3/4 equals 6/20 or 3/10. If you have a division sign, that is not correct. That is not correct. Okay? So that's 3 points. 3 points, 1 point for the correct answer. 1 point for this equation. 1 point for work that would lead to a correct answer. And so that's 9 points here, 6 and 3. 6 and 3 is 9, so let's look. 0, 1, or 2, that's a 1, that's a not yet. 3 through 6 is an on my way, or a 2. 7 and 8 is getting 7 or 8 points correct, or 7 or 8 points is an I can do it, and going beyond is 9 points.